10 dreamy challenges ahead and a giant worm at the very end. He sees that giant worm and he is so ready to win. Challenge 1. The crystal bridge shakes, so he must step super carefully. Uh-oh, it's super wobbly, but he's watching for a secret timing clue. Look at his eyes. He's timing the tine light. When it hits the center, it's safe. He cracked it. Step only on the perfect beat, and the bridge stays steady. Tap, tap. He's speeding up, but still matching the light like a perfect rhythm game. He made it across. And look, a portal opens to the next challenge. Fly over. 4 mystery gates. Star, moon, leaf, and droplet. Only one is the right way. Challenge 2. 4 gates, 1 choice. He has to pick the symbol that matches the clues. He's checking the clue stones. Pictures can be a secret code.
Ha ha! Cloud, moo, dew on a leaf. That means the LEEF gate is the answer.
He touches the leaf symbol. Come on, please be the right gate. It opens. Yay! He steps through like a real storybook hero. Success! But listen, next is a windy tunnel. That sounds tricky. Fly cam time. 3 spinning fans. He'll have to run when the wind gets weak. Challenge 3. Whoa, this wind tunnel almost pushes him back.
He waits. Those blinking ceiling lights match the calm wind moments. 1, 2, 3. He's counting the blinks to catch the calm wind window.
Go! He dashes on the calm beat, past the first fan, safe and speedy. Slide low, zoom past fan 2 and fan 3. He's totally mastering the wind. He escapes the tunnel. And, oh wow, next is a wobbly balance bridge. Fly cam. 3 teeter planks and 3 stones. He must balance them to cross. Challenge 4. The balance plank tips. He needs the stones to make it steady. He's measuring with his eyes. Big stone, tiny stone. Which one will balance it?
Not yet.
Medium isn't enough. He's learning fast. He needs a stronger balance move. Big stone, clunk. Now he can cross the first plank, but the next one wobbles too. Tiny stone for a tiny fix. Click! Now the second plank is perfectly steady. Balanced. He crossed all 3. Now a portal opens to a spooky mirror maze. Challenge 5. Mirror maze time, so many reflections. Which path is real? He taps the mirror. Nope. Then he checks the fog. It drifts like it knows the true path. He swishes his cape. Whoosh! And the hidden floor trail shows the real way. He follows the secret trail, turn by turn, and he will not get tricked. Almost out. One more turn, keep going, the exit is right there. He is out. Portal opens, and I hear tiny chimes. A lotus pond challenge is next.
Flycam. 9 lotus pads blink to the chime beat. He must hop on the right rhythm.
Challenge 6. If he steps wrong, splash! So he must listen to the chime. Ding, ding. He matches the pad lights to the chime, like a musical puzzle. Now, he times the jump perfectly and lands softly on the pad. No splash. Jump, jump, jump. He hops on the ding beat, and each pad lights up right on time. He keeps the rhythm, hop, hop, and he's getting closer to the far bank. Across! He nailed the last jump, and a portal opens to a shadow puzzle next. Flycam. 3 totems can twist, and their shadows must match a lightning shape. Challenge 7. He must twist the totems until their shadows become a lightning bolt. He twists a ring, the shadow changes, not perfect yet, so he tries again. He compares the shadow to the lightning shape, and he gets a smart idea. Twist, twist, twist! The shadow is getting closer. He's almost making the lightning. Final twist. Click. The shadow matches perfectly. He solved the lightning puzzle. The wall opens. Next up, a boulder street. Run and hide time. Flycam. 3 lanes, 3 rolling rocks, and 2 pillars to hide behind. Run smart. Challenge 8. Rumble. Giant boulders roll fast, so he must run and hide. He waits behind the safe spot, counting the rolling rhythm, like a timing game. He watches the gaps. When the rumble fades, that's his chance to run. Run! He dashes to the first pillar, and the boulder whooshes by, so close. Dash again! He jumps lanes and hides at the second pillar. Perfect timing. Made it! Portal opens, and now it's a water and valves puzzle. So tricky! Flycam. 3 symbol valves control the canal. He must raise the platform to cross. Challenge 9. He turns a valve. Oops, the platform stays low. Wrong choice. Now he reads the glowing pipelines. These symbols show which valve controls the lift.
He maps it out. Lock, lift, lock. Smart plan to raise the platform.
Square valve. Clunk. It locks the flow, so the raft steadies but stays low. Triangle valve. Boom. The platform rises like an elevator. Now he can step on. He rides across. Portal opens. Final challenge. The purple spiral tower. Flycam. The spiral tower twists up high, and 3 moving platforms circle to the top.
Challenge 10. Moving platform tower. He steadies his balance right away.
There's a gap! He's nervous, but he will not give up. He tests the timing. The platform slows at the safe spot. That's his jump moment.
Jump! Land! And jump again! His cape streams like a hero flag.
Almost the top! One last leap is coming! Go, go, go! He made it to the top! A portal appears and the giant worm prize is waiting. Look at his face! He sees the giant worm prize and he wants it so bad! Flycam! There it is! The giant worm prize, sitting on a pedestal-like treasure. He steps in and sees it! The giant worm! He's so excited he can barely wait. He did it! 10 challenges complete, and the giant worm prize is all his! Hooray!